Thinking about buying a house with foundation repair? Here's what you really need to know before signing on the dotted line. So, first off, foundation repairs like steel piers can actually be a good sign because it means the seller took action to fix a serious problem. But you gotta make sure the repair was done right by a licensed professional, and that lifetime transferable warranty is legit. That warranty is huge, by the way, because it covers you if anything goes wrong after you move in. Next, check the soil type in that part of town. Some soils, like clay, expand and contract with moisture, causing foundation shifts over time. It's smart to get a soil test or ask a local foundation expert about the area's risk. Also, don't skip a thorough home inspection focused on the foundation and structure. Inspectors can spot cracks or signs of future trouble. Look for drainage issues around the house, since poor water flow can mess with foundation stability. Ask neighbors about their homes and if they've had similar issues. Finally, keep an eye on your home insurance policy and whether it covers foundation repairs. It can save you a ton later. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with foundation repairs is ignoring warning signs like cracks in walls or doors that don't close properly. These usually mean something's up and should be checked as soon as possible. Another common issue is skipping a detailed inspection from a foundation specialist. General home inspections might miss subtle but important stuff. Lastly, many buyers forget to confirm if repair warranties are transferable and what exactly they cover, leading to surprise costs down the road. The fixes? Always get a second opinion from a foundation expert, verify warranty details in writing, and keep an eye on moisture levels around the property by fixing gutters and grading. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid resource for homeowners like you who want to connect with trusted local contractors who specialize in foundation, work, and more. For contractors, it's a great way to find new clients looking for reliable pros to handle serious home projects without the headache of endless searching.